डीजेपी साहब इस वक्त लाइव तस्वीरें दिखाऊं, ट्रैफिक एसीपी
ये थोड़ा सा रास्ता क्लियर कर दो।
जी जी हाँ
So that land was allocated by Municipal Corporation of Gurugram. So it's a project along with Hyundai and Municipal Corporation of Gurugram. So this is our pillar of mobility. So as we are a car manufacturer, we work very strongly towards giving medical support to the entire country. These are some of the glimpses of our telemedicine centers. So as you know that many rural people, they cannot come to big cities to the hospitals. So we have created centers wherein they can go to these small areas and through video conference, best of the doctors can give them free treatment and also free prescription. So recently we inaugurated one center in Leh Ladakh. This was the highest center of India at Dras, which we inaugurated on 21st last month. This is our mobile medical vans, which are running their duty in rural area. So in this also we have doctor and nurse who will go and treat the patients in rural area. This one is safe driving program called Safety for You. Here we are teaching people how to become a safe driver. We not only train them, we also give them license and job. So that it's a complete.
Big traffic. So we want to support GM to make sure that each junction is as per standard. And then we can. So how we are doing it, sir? If we can, Vaishali, if you can just tell us a bit quickly about how we are working on it. Shortly. Office. So first thing is that when we get the junctions, we look at it.
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ।
आ जाओ सर।
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ भैया, आपका कैमरा।
Gurugram, Shri Mayank Mishra, IPS, DCP Bahadurgarh Jhachar, Shri Vijay Pratap, IPS, Superintendent of Police Nu, Shri Karan Goyal, HPS, DCP West, Gurugram.
To redefine and promote traffic management systems for Gurugram. As we inaugurate this center, we are not just launching a facility, we are launching a vision.
इनॉग्रेशन के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं और इस सेंटर को देखने के बाद उन्होंने हमारे काम को अप्रिशिएट भी किया है। थैंक्स अ लॉट सर, आगे ऐसे ही काम करते रहेंगे। एंड आई विल आल्सो लाइक टू थैंक MD Hyundai Motors for his collaboration with the traffic police for creating this twin center. We will like to have more collaboration with you. Lucky evening के स्पेशल गेस्ट श्री A. श्रीनिवास CO GMD, मैं उनका भी यहाँ आने पर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, क्योंकि उनके बिना इस सेंटर का सक्सेस होना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। उनकी हेल्प प्लस अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स जो रोड ट्रैफिक के साथ HSVP है, MCG है, इन सबके सहयोग के बिना ये ट्रैफिक बहुत मुश्किल है। हम चाहेंगे कि इन सबका सहयोग हमें लगातार मिलता रहे ताकि जिस पर्पस के लिए ये ट्विन सेंटर खोला गया है उस में हम सक्सेस हो पाएँ, और प्लस जो गुड़गांव की जनता है उनको मैं बेहतर ट्रैफिक की सुविधा। और मिस्टर रोहित बलूजा, मैं इन दोनों का स्पेशल तौर पे धन्यवाद करूंगा कि इन्होंने गुरुग्राम को चुना ये सेंटर खोलने के लिए। हालांकि काफ़ी दिन फाइट होती रही कि ये गुरुग्राम में खोलें या किसी और स्टेट में खोलें, लेकिन लास्टली फिर इन्होंने दोनों स्टेट्स में यस कर दी और यहाँ भी खोलने के लिए।
Also, how can we just control that? Because now Bangalore is the biggest problem.
What Dr. Baluja also mentioned. See, there are two things. One is education and one is the enforcement. So whereas education we feel is a very strong area in terms of traffic management, and as I had just mentioned that we have been working with Gurugram administration, Faridabad administration. We did the program called Dhyan Do, which was basically supporting the drivers of public transport as well as private transport. Around 34,000 drivers who were working both in corporates as well as in the district areas, whether it was in the bus stand, the ISBTs, and also in some various public sector areas like the Faridabad and Gurugram administration. We not only trained them on the aspects of road safety, but we also gave them very important support, which is in terms of healthcare. So whether they are wearing right spectacles, whether their blood pressure is okay, whether their blood sugar is okay, because we have seen that these drivers are, doing a fabulous job. They are also carrying hundreds and hundreds of people in the bus and trucks. But are they physically fit? Are they mentally fit? So we do these kind of programs. Not only this, we are also taking this initiative through our foundation by training the school students, especially in the schools of Gurugram. We have adopted around 10,000 students will be trained in 40 schools, which will also inculcate the importance of safe driving and also safety on the road. So around 40 schools, over which there will be public sector schools as well as private schools. They will be part of also this initiative along with our foundation. So we very strongly feel that enforcement, education will be very important in making road safety a true initiative from our side.